a good job. I am expected to break my family financial cycle. I was this close to settle just for ordinary. But here I am, a DCA with more than 100,000 DGS, and in BE, I became extraordinary. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Good morning. My name is Rabiatul Hazika. I'm from Brunei Darussalam. First, I would like to send my gratitude to BE because choosing me as one of the sharers on this prestigious stage tonight. I would like also to say thank you to my upline, SRCA Ajaida, SRCA Dayangku Yati, RCCA Liana, RCCA Suryani, RCCA Narzehan, and I would like to say thank you to Allah for making all of this possible. This is my story. I witnessed my parents struggle, my parents' financial struggle. I was the reason why they took up hefty loans just for them to finance my studies. As the eldest, I carry the responsibility of my parents' expect, which is study hard, go to university, and improve our family economic situation. I was the reason why my parents sacrificed many good things in their life just for them to give me the best chance in life. However, with 2 degrees and PhD in progress, I am still unemployed and I was unable to support my family. Yes, I am part of the 4.6% of the unemployment rate in Brunei Darussalam. Do you guys know how I felt? I felt so useless. I let my parents down. I felt ashamed. In all of my dua, I pray to Allah to give me a way how to make my parents proud. How to make my parents proud. And how to salvage everything they have done, they have invested in me. Till one day, I saw one advert posted on social media by my former lecturer SRCA Ajaida, who's looking for 18 years old and above who wanted to give back to their parents. I immediately say yes to it. When I started doing BE, I was in my first year doing my PhD, but I am ready and willing to do what my upline told me to do, which is master the LR filing and BE 139. In 2 months, I joined BE. In September 2021, I became an ambassador and I earned my first ever 4-figure Brunei dollar in my life. That was when I decided to stay full-time in BE and resign from my 3 part-time job. As a young person, of course, I faced challenges in the beginning of my journey in BE. The majority of my friends are just like me. They are still studying and got no money. But I never give up. I believe with BE International, I can help them too. And Alhamdulillah, in January 2022, I became Sophia Ambassador, and in February, I double ranked to RCA and ECA. All I did is just by helping my friend who are holding master degree, but still unemployed just like me. But for more than 365 days, I was not progressing. Reviews after reviews, I stayed in ECA for 1 whole year. I wanted to progress so bad. So I duplicate BE International Education System my own. I started to zero rise. I push unlimited boundaries. I travel for BE events. That was when I started to grow. In September 2023, I became a DCA. November, I unlocked my car fund. December, I hit my highest TGS, over 100,000 SD. And in April, I unlocked my 20 years house fund bonus. I achieved the tickets to Perth, and I managed to bring 4 fighters with me, and I'm truly grateful that I was able to bring my mother with me, my big wife, with my own determination. See this picture? This was taken in Perth recently. All I ever wanted to hear from my mom that she's proud of me doing BE International and helping others. I need her blessing. I worked so hard for that moment to come true. My mother uttered the word the most I long to hear. Kakak, Mama really proud of you doing BE International. Alhamdulillah, I already achieved my 2 tickets to Shanghai. This time, I'm gonna bring my dad with me. And Alhamdulillah, 4 my leaders are already qualified to Shanghai, and 13 are strongly on track. Okay, my next target is December 2024 CCA with more than 500,000 TGS. And 2026 will be my victory years because I will be known as Dr. Philosophy of Law, and I will be the RCCA of BE International in December 2026. I hold tightly to this slogan. Success is not by chance. Success is by your choice. With that, I end my share.